Me personally, I don't know why you just don't get on with it. If you want to do YouTube, show your face, but it is a reality that not showing your face on YouTube and making videos work, meaning you can build and grow a YouTube channel, and specifically as an affiliate marketer, you can make money. And I know you've seen lots of examples of YouTube channels out there. I've even done a video here on the channel showing other channels that have done it, but I want to make sure that you understand that I do this with faceless videos myself. Let's start by taking a look at some affiliate stats. You can see here on February 17th, 2022, I made $91.95. You can also see over in the YouTube Studio dashboard inside of my channel analytics under the revenue tab, February 17th, 2022, you can add an additional $3.50 to that total. And when you come over to Publisher Report, my channel, you can see the video here, and you can see I never show my face. Now, I do show my face in some of my videos, but the majority of my videos on this channel, I would probably say, are me just showing my screen because of the topics. I can simply just show exactly what I'm doing because they're interested in seeing what I'm doing on my screen versus looking at my face. And that allows me to create the channel and earn AdSense revenue as well as earn affiliate commissions from the products that I am displaying or I'm reviewing or I'm showing people specifically how to do a thing with that product that I'm recommending. This is all part of what I call the $100 a day system, where we're looking for your audience. That's the people on the internet. We're building a $100 a day system by providing YouTube videos or providing content, helpful content in the form of videos, again, that you don't have to show your face on, that your audience finds, as well as adding a blog and doing blog posts. But it's just as easy to start and do YouTube videos and never show your face and then earn affiliate commissions. Okay, that's a quick look at exactly how I did it using faceless videos to make money. And on that path to $100 a day, building out a system and understanding how to put all this together. It's not really complicated. It's actually quite simple. But just like everything else, you don't know until you know. And the secret really is to just get started. And if you're ready to get started, then there's a link in the description that will take you over and show you exactly how to build a $100 a day system, just like I'm doing, just like I keep showing here as I progress forward with my $100 a day system, starting with the YouTube channel that I showed you where I'm making those faceless videos, earning affiliate commissions, also earning AdSense, and also building an email list, but more about that in later videos. If you want to see more about this $100 a day system that I'm building and how it's going to work, go ahead and click on the video right here. Watch that. It'll explain everything that you need to know to get up and started and get going with faceless videos. If you can't get over the fact that, hey, it's YouTube and people want to see your happy, smiling face. And with that, I'll talk to you later. Bye.